So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I show you the different kinds of lollipops from the kids Gergian bags. So we'll see. So there's a lot of different kind of lollipops.
So let's start with this one.
So welcome back again. So we start with this is a lot of kinds of lollipop. So, let's check it out. So, first, we start with this
cherry.
one. Cherry. You need to open because we not eat anyway. So, this one looks like cherry.
1 second. 3, 2, 1.
And then this one, it's called a Happy Pop. So, I think this is a popular lollipops.
Open.
So, let's see. There's
I got this candy bracelet.
Okay. So there's a yellow, which is orange, and green is green apple, and red is cherry flavor.
I want to try it.
So
come on.
and then there's what's this? Bubble lollies.
Okay, we'll be right back. Okay, she's gone, but look what I made. I made it like that, like stick. It's so good. It's gonna be the next one. Little.
So and then next is burger mini gummy burger lollipops. And then there's a lollipops. See. Oops. And there's a Papa Bear. Papa Bear lollipop.
How about Mama Bear?
And also there's a heart, a love pop. Love pop lollipop. So it's a heart shape.
Famous and quick
Yeah.
in our country, in Europe.
Yeah, it's from JoJo, strawberry flavor.
Jojo.
And also there's a Melco lollipop. It's a milk caramel flavor. This is very yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. And also there's a Tasty Pop. It's a blueberry flavor. So look at this. And also there's of course this is Happy Lollipop. It's a cherry flavor. So we have 4. And also there's